Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is PJ. So in today's video I'm going to explain in details how you can use this particular strategy, trade boom 1000 and crash 1000 on 5-minute time frames. You see, this is one of the best strategy that I have on my channel, and also I have already used this same strategy on step index. So if you watch some of my video on step index, you will have find this strategy. And also in today's video I'm going to explain in details how you can trade with this boom 1000 5-minute time frames using this same strategy. So guys, I will show you the settings of this strategy so that you can also have it on your phone. So let me show you the settings of this strategy. We are going to start from the indicator window 1, where we are having our stochastic oscillator. Window 1, we have our stochastic oscillator. We have our K period to be 1, our D period to be 1, our slowing to be 1, our price feed which low high. We have our method to be simple. We have our style to be white here. You see that? So that will be the color of your background. And also we have different level here where we're having our 50, we have our 85, and we have our 15. That is the take profit one. We have the zone level, we have the buy and zone and sell level. You see that? So just set it up like this. Then let's move to our indicator window 1, which is the moving average. The first moving average is the period of 2. We have the shift of 0, methods to be simple, apply to close, and we have black as our color here. So it doesn't have any level, so we press on done. Then we move to another one, which is the moving average again. We have the period of 1, shift of 0, methods to be simple, apply to close, and we have our style to be in yellow color. You see that? So now let's move to our indicator window 2. So to set up our indicator window 2, we have the first thing here, which is the relative strength index. In our relative strength index, we have the period to be 1, we have apply to close, we have our style to be in white color, which is the color of our background. So guys, if you are using black background, make sure this particular color is in black color. So now I have different level, as you see here. We have the sell zone, we have the buy zone, we have the take profit 1, and we also have the take profit 2. You see that? That's exactly what you need to set. So then you press on done. Then we move to the second one, which is our envelope. We have the period of 75, we have the shift of 0, we have our divisional to be 0.900, we have our methods to be simple, and we have apply to close. You see, we have these two color, upper band and lower band here, which you are going to set like this. Just set it up like this, like the way I have it here. So then you press on done. Now let's check up the last indicator that we have, which is the moving average. We have the period of 1, we have the shift of 0, we have the methods to be simple, we have apply to close, and we have red as our background color here, Then you can press on done. So by doing this, we have the same settings the way I have it here on my chart, exactly the way I have it here on my chart. So guys, what you just need to do is to follow the rules and the guides that I'm going to explain inside this video for you guys, so that you can trade using this particular strategy successfully on 1000 5-minute time frames. So guys, don't worry, I'm still going to make a video on crash 1000 5-minute time frames and show you how you can use it on crash 1000. So guys, what you need to do, this is our indicator window 1, and this is our indicator window 2, and this is our main this is our main chart. You see this is our main chart. So that's what you need to know. So I'm only having this moving average on our main chart because it always tell me more about how the trade move. So anytime the trade is below, I know that that particular trade is selling on a downtrend, and when a trade went above, like what you are seeing exactly at this particular moment, you see that the spike keep on happening in the trade. So guys, in our indicator window 1, we have our level here, which is very very important to us. We have our 15 level, we have our 50, and we have our 85 level. You see, these three levels are what you are going to be target every time you want to enter this particular trade. So anytime you are going to be having your indicator 1 on your 15 level, and also you are going to be confirming from your indicator 2 on your 10 level, then this is the right time for you to what to enter this particular trade at this particular area, like what you are seeing at this particular area. You see what happened here? The trade come down from the what from the support area and come down a little bit. Then it give us a what a spike, and give us a spike like that until it's what it respects, and you can start making a what a massive profit like this. So you see exactly what's happened. And also, if you are using this particular trade as a sell entry, you need to confirm it at the what at the 85 level here, was what you can see at this particular area. And also you also need to confirm it again on our second indicator 2, which is going to respect that 100 level. You see that? So once you have this full confirmation, then you can easily enter this particular trade and on this particular area. Then you can keep on what taking down the market as you want. So until you have your take profit 1 and you have your what take profit 2. So guys, that's one of the great things that I want to show you. And also we have another confirmation here. You see what happened here on our buy zone here. You see what happened on our buy zone, which respect our 15 level. So the market go down like this, reaching our 15 level, and begin to what give us a sign of what of a new entry. You see that exactly what we need to confirm on our indicator window 2. Once you confirm the indicator window 1 and you confirm the indicator 2, which respect that same level, then you are good to go. You are good to enter this particular trade, and you can keep on taking out your profit every time as you want. So guys, let me show you more example of what I mean. You see, this is another full confirmation entry. You see, this is another full confirmation entry. So for some guys that used to ask what is the zoom level that I'm using the second zoom level. You see, second zoom level, that's exactly what I'm using to make this particular video. So we have another confirmation entry at this particular area. We have it to respect that 85 level, and we also have the second indicator window to also respect that area, which we see at this particular area after this long spike. You see what happened here after the long spike. And I also tell you guys in this video that anytime we have a long spike, there's always a reverse in the market. The market will reverse for sometimes before it's continue or taking down an entry or giving up a buy entry. So you see what happened exactly what's here, that we have a long spike, and what do you see next? You have a reverse on the price. So guys, if you are using this particular strategy to trade, I will advise you guys that you should use it to trade more on demo. First practice it on demo accounts for like a week or 2 weeks before using a real account to practice it, so that you will have understand how this particular strategy works and every of its shortcoming in every area. So guys, you see what the market is doing right now. I told you guys that anytime I'm having my trade above this moving average of red, what do I think is spike? It's going to spike for a long period of time for today, and that's exactly what the market is going to be. So for you that want to set up that moving average, let me show you the moving average. I have the moving average. This is the first moving average. I'm having the two moving average there, which is the period of 2000, and I'm having the methods to be simple. I have a apply to close, and you press undone, and that second one is period of 1000. You see, you just set it up like this, and you have it on your chart like the way I have it here. So guys, exactly what I'm saying. You see the spike keep on happen above this moving average, but you need to confirm your entry at this particular area. So guys, if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next I drop another powerful strategy like this. So guys, you can also like and comment on these channels, and also share your experience using different strategy on this channel. So guys, and also we have our Telegram group on the description of the video. You can also join our group for more updates on boom and crash. Thanks.